In this episode of Money Creation Explained, we're going to cover how IPOs, initial public offerings, create new money supply. An IPO, initial public offering, is when a company raises money from the public to expand their startup or seasoned business and sells off a lot of its shares of its company to the public in the form of stocks. In the U.S., the three biggest exchanges are the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq Stock Exchange, and OTC, over-the-counter markets. Investors invest in IPOs, which they believe have a great potential for growth and revenue, in order to obtain ownership over a small percentage of the company. Later, they may sell their shares to make a good return on their initial investment. Companies have the power to develop new technologies or take raw materials and turn them into a finished product from the total of all the components or offer a service. This ability allows companies to create value and real needed services and products that others would not be able to do on their own, or do not want to do and charge higher prices than their combined costs to make a profit. Taking this concept a step further and selling shares in their company on the stock exchange creates new money supply into the economy that would not be there if this company was not created. Figuring out what a company is worth is never easy. For mature companies with steady revenues, it's a matter of taking their earnings for that year, plus other industry-specific details, and calculating the value over time. For startups with no revenue, they use factors such as cost to duplicate, future potential, valuation by stage, and the like. While this real-world valuation method is okay in theory, Wall Street can inflate companies that go public with valuations that do not make sense. Many times, a company that has no sales and only a concept and vision has attracted a lot of private investors, and those investors want to get a return on investment. So Wall Street puts that company's worth in hundreds of millions of dollars, or sometimes even billions of dollars. IOU Notes is a peer-to-peer credit and loan platform. To get started, please visit IOUnotes.com and open your free account today.